What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on off auto connect to audio in Zoom. Firstly, you need to launch the application and then you need to go up into your more section on the fourth side right down, and then when you get up here on your main setup you need to click on meetings, and then it will shows up all these different options. And now as you can see on the first side you have auto connect to audio, and now simply you need just to click on that tab, and here you can simply turn off or turn on that setup by getting up on Wi-Fi or cellular data. You're gonna turn on this section, and now with this has been getting up or has been turned on. Now if you want to just turn off, just type again on that selection, go for off on the first selection, and we have done it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.